County in southeastern Minnesota, La Crosse County in west central Wisconsin, southwestern Jackson County in west central Wisconsin, until 8 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Blair to near North Bend to 7 miles south of Winona, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near North Bend around 7:45 p.m. Dakota around 7:55 p.m. La Crosse Airport and French Island around 8 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Franklin, Melrose, north side of La Crosse, Camp Decorah, Stevenstown, Rockland and County Roads D east and east. This includes the following highways: Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 261 and 276. Interstate 90 in Wisconsin between mile markers 1 and 20. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: Winona, Minnesota, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Jackson and La Crosse.
I want to see a Republican governor in this state. I want to see a Republican president.
They just don't stop coming, do they?